The Nivea Ultra is one of the unique football boots of Nivea. It is a hard ground boot but has cleat and stud pattern design of firm ground boot. It's like an amphibian crisscross of two boots merged together. The outsole is made of natural rubber which provides unmatched cushion to your feet. This is the most comfortable boot I have ever used, the best in terms of comfort and cushion. Nivea claims that this boot is suitable for rough grounds and it's true to its claim. The material rubber has been used very thoughtfully as it is strong enough to be long lasting and soft enough to provide excellent cushion. The rubber sole is so effective because of the cleats provided. The extra height of the rubber studs or the cleats provide the extra cushion to the players who wears it. The Nivea Ultra is also perfect for regular practice. But there are limitations to this football boot, just like any football boots. The inner material of the Nivea Ultra really compromises the lockdown of the boot in the heel area. The inner material is really smooth and lacks texture, which lends grip. In a boot with proper lockdown, the heel and the boot are in sync with each other. But with the Nivea Ultra, during running, it feels the boot may come off the feet. When the heel is raised, the boot does not rise with it. It slips due to the slippery inner. The only possible solution to this problem is to buy a boot which perfectly fits you. You should measure your feet size before buying online, or even better, visit a sports retail store and check which size fits you properly. But another problem with this is that if you are from Haryana or Punjab, the probability of you getting Nivea Ultra in shops or retail stores is much higher compared to other states. I stay in West Bengal and it's not much available in Kolkata. If your feet size matches the standard feet size of UK 9, UK 10 and so on, the boot is favorable for you. Size chart is another topic. Usually different brands follow their own standard size charts, which is very confusing. Just to give you an example, my feet size is 27.5 cm, which falls under size 9.5 UK according to the Adidas size chart. But when following the size chart in Flipkart, the size 7 is 27.3 cm and 8 is 27.9. Then size 9 is 28.7 cm. So you can see the disparity in different size charts. People with odd sizes like 9.5, 8.5 and 7.5, finding the perfect fit becomes difficult as Nivea does not make these size variations. Another reason why the lockdown seems to compromise is because the backside of the Nivea Ultra is not as raised as the backside of Nivea Ditmar and the Nivea Aviator, and because of that slippery surface, this can also probably cause the poor lockdown experience. The backside of the Nivea Ultra should be raised like the other Nivea boots, like the Nivea Ditmar and the Nivea Aviator. This step will ensure proper lockdown in the heel area. You can tie the laces of Nivea Ultra around the ankles so that the heel area does not feel loose. This cheap trick somewhat provides a better lockdown, but the ideal solution to it would be replacing the inner cloth material with something which is similar to the textured color pattern of the Osla blade. Even though this boot can be used on concrete surface or sand-based artificial turf, the stability of the boot gets compromised due to the cleat heights. The boot seems to give a minute wobbly feeling which bothers the player's focus. If Nivea launches the new Ultra 3.0, these changes or updates can definitely curb this problem. The first way to tackle the problem is to reduce the cleat height by 5 mm or 0.5 cm. It will reduce the wobbly effect of the cleats and will also reduce the weight of the boot very minutely. And the second way is probably the main reason. Rubber is a soft material, it's not a sturdy plastic material. The studs are elevated from the plane at an angle of 90 degrees, which fails to give enough support to the soft rubber studs. The rubber studs all sways when pressure falls, giving the wobbly effect. This effect can only be felt in hard cement grounds or very hard grounds. The simple solution to this is to elevate the rubber studs at a slight sloping angle. This simple change will, I believe, provide much better stability to the cleats and the boot will not feel wobbly. This tweak to the design of sloping the elevation of the cleat will also drastically improve the durability of the cleat. There was one odd buyer in Flipkart who posted the photograph of the Nivea Ultra with one of the cleats pattern detached from the rubber sole. He must have used it very roughly on high speeds. This problem can immediately be solved by this step. Hopefully Nivea would want to make the design of the boot more valuable and create these changes to the design of the boot. So hope you liked the video of the review of the Nivea Ultra. So please stay tuned and do subscribe our channel and share the videos and support us as much as you can by sharing it to your friends or anyone who can benefit from the videos. Thank you for your patient listening.